Good morning, buddy. Are you sleeping? Sitting up?
Yeah.
And it's all good, and it's all right, and it's all good. All right, we gotta get all this in the van. Car's packed. Breakfast's been served, which is amazing.
Did you say who's here? Squad!
Squadron! So guys, we've taken to our Instagrams and it's going down. We are splitting up. The couples have divided. I've got myself a new girlfriend. Look how cute she is. And we're gonna actually handle the coffee and tea show, which starts tomorrow. All 4 of us are going down to the yoga show today. And it's a little bit of a competition. Who's gonna sell more Chaiwala?
Good luck. Let's go, Bob.
Thanks, Bob. Let's go, squad.
Put it on her voicemail.
Hi, it's Jerry.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mom. Love you. Oh my God, you farted so bad. I was just saying, like, I can't talk. It is 8:45. The show opens at 10. And we're still in the car. Our load-in time was actually yesterday at 3 p.m. But we had so much product to make and things to do that
Lyft and Uber.
So it was just a little stressful yesterday to try to get down here. And we've been sitting in traffic. To be fair, we got in the car at 8, and Christian, you said we got up as early as humanly.
Early as humanly possible at 7 a.m.
Yeah, 7 a.m.
Bubs, what are we thinking here?
Okay, yeah. Okay, I gotta go.
That's a versatile Sprinter van. This year we went with a 5x10. Last year we did a 10x10, but we figured we would just save the money and do a little bit smaller of a footprint. So that's what that looks like. We've got our foldable tables that we just quickly set up.
Boom! That looks so good. Especially when you come from like, so this is the aisle here. So we'll be walking down the aisle and then it's like, oh, what's that? Oh, Bection. Oh. We look good, guys. 5 minutes to opening in classic Eamon and Beck and Minimum Millennial fashion. We have absolutely crushed our design setup, even though we have 5 less feet than we thought, or than you thought. I knew that we had this. Anyways, this is what it looks like.
Do you guys want to have a look? Looks good, except for that white thing behind you. Yeah.
Are you doing your card?
So we got the chai kits. We've got the original chai, the rooibos chai. We've got our cinnamon from Sri Lanka, a little spice board showing everyone what's going on. They can smell the chai. Oh yeah.
So we gotta get this stuff.
Little display, business cards. We got the chai brewing up nice and hot. Yeah, it looks good.
Eamon dashboard.
Yeah. 20 bucks, guys. Show is down right above the CN Tower at the Toronto Convention Center. Park the car. I'm gonna go inside, try and find our passes. And the show started, so we gotta get going.
Picking up for booth 317, Chaiwala Chai. Yeah.
Here with Hannah, we just met her. Hannah, quickly tell them about the company, what you guys are doing.
Yeah, this is Little by Little. We work with Haiti, with families who are at risk of giving their children to an orphanage. So we teach them to make all our product, which gives them an income to keep their family together.
So cute. And so we're getting the...
We're gonna support them. We need a little bit more decor in our van. We saw Max and Lee's van and they're like super cute, so we're trying to step that up a little bit. We're gonna do like an inhale, exhale.
Yes.
And Hannah, did you say this is made from an old oil drum?
And so they make it into artwork and, you know, help grow the community, which is absolutely amazing.
Super excited.
Super excited about that.
And then we're gonna get these 2 arrows and we're gonna put them sort of like this with inhale and the arrows and then exhale. That's really cute. I'm excited.
Enough's enough. We spent enough money. We're done. We've done a full lap around the show. The show is huge. I don't even know how many vendors there are.
So we're back, we're hustling. We let Christian and Aubrey go for a little lap. Now it's time to work.
Show is off to a good start. We're being chunky monkeys. We're actually really prepared today. Look at this. We brought veg,
We are?
salad. Well, Becca made it all.
And Aubrey.
Yeah, super stoked.
Yeah.
The show is packed, guys. It's like, what is it, 11:30?
No, it's more like 1:32. Maybe.
Oh, it feels like 11:30. The show is packed. There's not even a place to sit.
Maybe we could sit here. Oh.
Might have to sit on the ground.
Let's go sit on the ground. As you saw earlier, we're completely obsessed with just the show in general because all the products are so good. You like go for lunch and then you sample some of this. Right now we're drinking kombucha. It's just like
Shout out to Booch from London, Ontario.
so good. Cheers.
Oh,
Cheers,
so
baby.
Massage my foot dance, dude.
Roll it out, roll it in, roll it up and roll it in. When you want a massage, you gotta get the blue ball. Blue balls, all day. What you gonna do?
I know what I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna roll it out. That's what I'm gonna do.
Hey babe, this girl, she wants one of those carts. She wants you to build her steam unit.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah? Definitely gonna lose this.
I don't know if you guys can hear us, but I'm gonna leave you there. You can just get a vibe for the way the boys run the booth here. Do you guys like hip hop music? We could drop a beat right now. Alright. Scoop of chai in the pot, add that milk, make it hot, bring it up just to a simmer, strain those leaves, you're the winner. She's got a good laugh on her, huh? Do you want my number?
Yes.
I'll give you my card. I love saving money.
Okay. Where are you located in Canada?
Where are you from?
I am from Russia.
Oh yeah, Soviet Russia.
Yes, I am Soviet Russia.
Yeah.
I've never had chai like this before, even though I'm South Asian and I'm brown and I grew up near India. Like, but it was all sweet. This is so different. Like, I've never had it before.
And you like it.
Yeah, it's really good.
And the night is just killing it, huh?
Well, the night's gonna just get started. So what happens is I feel like there's like a daytime crowd. They're all leaving.
Yeah.
Then there's this lull for an hour or two, and then it's everyone who comes after work. That's what I'm hoping.
Okay, there's 4 people in front of us, so we need to sell some chai. How you doing, ladies?
Yeah, so what we do that's really unique is we actually take raw ginger root, we peel the ginger root, we shred it, and we add it to our freshly ground spices, so it becomes a wet tea.
Nut bar chai latte is my favorite chai latte in all of Toronto. I'm not getting paid to say this. I'm 100% serious. I love it.
And it's our chai.
And it's their
I was just gonna ask him who sells the chai to Nut Bar.
Yeah, so we make it. Whenever I leave the boys, the booth just gets so busy because I guess women love them. What can I say?
We're at the point where we're going a little loopy. No, it's okay. I'll sell you tea still. You got your wallet. I know what that means.
I'm not about to turn that down. Hello.
I'll have to finish filling you in a bit. So, here, you want to fill them in on how the day's
Oh,
going?
is this the vlog?
Sure.
What up, girl?
We can do cash or credit.
Is this the vlog?
This is the vlog, dude.
Can you get me a...
Wait, what vlog is this?
Yeah,
Our vlog.
Oh, I thought this was the girl's vlog. I thought she left her camera.
No, that's yours.
Oh, wow. All right, I'm going to look really dumb on that vlog. I got nothing to say at all.
We are going to pack it up here, head back to the office. We gotta load up their car because they need more inventory. Then we gotta load up our car because we need an entire booth set up. And then I guess we're gonna go to bed.
Definitely go, Bob.
Back to the... Oh no, we'll sign off at the office.
Go, get it back, go. Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the squad back together. Now let's meet you at the office. Wait, let's do one of those.
It didn't work. It didn't cut to the next clip yet.
Oh, it didn't?
Try it again.
We'll see you guys back at the office. Can't speak. We'll see you guys back at the office.
At the office, we will be.
This girl has so much energy.
Get Aubrey front and center, baby.
I've been editing all day, and all I want to do is jump.
Back at the office, cold pizza, leftover food.
Look at this, guys. Look at what it looks like. It's like that little. Come on. That thing.
What is that, guys?
What is it?
Cold.
It's really cold. I'm assuming.
All right, let's sign off the vlog.
Tickle shooter.
All right.
Just in
Wait
case.
until 2 seconds when you find out that we won.
That's right. Anything else?
What, dude? What? They're talking some big game, huh?
As if. You know the person that wins is always the most modest and humble and.
So we're not even gonna talk
that's
about
us,
them.
isn't
We're gonna
it?
go get a good night's sleep.
We are.
We're gonna go work hard tomorrow
Yes,
and
we
crush
are.
it.
Affection coming at you.
We're gonna give the vlog back. Let's let him brag though.
Hey, dude.
Okay, babe, I need.
All right, good night, guys. I gotta go to bed. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video.
Oh my god.
That shot was literally like mustache down.
Should we do this one?
What are you even saying? Oh no,
Thumbnail.
no.
Without a follow.
Oh, this is still on. You guys are complete nutters. These guys aren't even doing this for the vlog. They literally started doing this, and then I'm like, all right, I guess I'll pull out my vlog.
So old, you and me, man. We're like,
Let's go to that hip hop vlog.
I'm going to bed.
Right now.